If you have a Honda with a stripped oil drain pan that's leaking oil, so these are aluminum. A lot of quick lube places, they over tighten the drain bolt and strip them. Then they put one of these that's like kind of, when you strip them, you can put these. Don't do this, it still leaks. So what you do is get M14 1.5 thread that's 30 millimeters long. So the original or it will stays up here, but this one will reach the threads all the way to the back, so it will held on with these threads at the end. It's not a permanent solution. I mean, it can be a permanent solution because it, as long as you don't over thread tighten it, you wouldn't reduce it. But the permanent solution is changing this, which is up here, and you gotta remove everything to change this. So this is a good alternative solution. So pretty much you put it in, hand tighten it until you get in. When you feel it's catching the threads, yep, it's going in. So it's pretty good. And tighten it up. Make sure to use a new crush washer, and you're good to go. And no more leaks.